boring.
No, they're not.
You can see on there.
Yeah, you can. I'll show you the video I took already. It's good.
Yeah, I put lost my rabbit.
I don't even see that on the screen. I think I was had the hand strap on.
High five, fat kid.
Seriously, stop.
It makes it bigger.
No, it doesn't. Oh, that was a cool one. That's like a circle. That looks like space.
No, it's not.
It'll be fine.
Whoa!
Really feel. Yeah, I know, you can.
I told you to bring a chair.
I can last for this long.
We can stand for 20 minutes. That's not a problem.
Well, how long is it? 20 minutes? Been at least 5 minutes already. Well, it has actually. This camera has already been there.
Can you do this?
Woo! They're shooting fireworks over there too. Mom, how many people do you think videotape this?
It's a billion.
Mom, how many people do you think videotape this? Hey Mom, how many people think you videotape this?
Your mom wants you to go check on your phone, buddy. You don't even know if you're I already got that. Taylor, Brian, go with me to go check Shadow. I will. That's just sad. I think I'm gonna go with a ramble. Get my shoes.
Oh, you don't have your shoes on?
No.
Where's Dad and them?
In the backyard. He didn't come out?
They've been there. Watch out.
They probably went to go get a shot. They probably took that bottle and they're chugging it right now in the tree. We're going to check on that.
Don't worry about it. I'll get another one.
Last year you put one in your house?
It's going after the fireworks. Imagine the UFO is going after the fireworks.
That was a pretty.
Let's try to make a firework.
Last year was on the news. Our fireworks show.
I would like to see a firework with USA on it.
Yeah, that would be cute.
No, we're not going to finish I'm really bummed that we didn't make it. Yeah, they're not coming back. I don't think they're that interested.
They're not interested.
No, they're not.
I used to have that camera of mine.